Dat is een singer-songwriter. 19 jaar. Ze studeert op dit moment. Oh, ze is al 20. In de bio stond 19 dus. Ja. Oh, oké, ja, dan kun je in de tussentijd natuurlijk jarig zijn. Dan is ze dus nu 20. Gefeliciteerd. En ze heeft de finale van Kunstbende gewonnen. Dus klaar voor Arjane.
As I walk out the door, I know I'm gonna regret it, 'cause I'll be staring at the floor, telling myself not to give in to me wanting to change. I think that would be the only way. Feels like I'm stuck in this cage with bars so high I can never seem to climb. I can only scream. It's like a bad dream. Why can't I just take control of my feelings and let go? Why can't I just simply be and find a remedy? As the night finally falls, I feel the start of a mental breakdown. I'm so sick of these walls I put up so I won't hit the ground. Guess I'm just not that brave to admit I hate how I behave, to say that I'm not okay. I've got bars in my mind I can never seem to climb. It's my self-esteem that feels like a bad dream. Why can't I just simply be and find a remedy? Can I just take control of my feelings and let go? Can I just simply be? The only enemy is me. Can I just simply be? The only remedy is me. Goedemiddag allemaal. Superleuk dat jullie ook nog bij mij zijn blijven kijken. En ik vind het heel leuk om deze gevarieerde middag af te sluiten. Met iets minder volume wel. En het volgende nummer schreef ik tijdens quarantaine. En toen lag alles dus plat met muziek. En toen ging ik heel erg mezelf vergelijken met anderen. En, maar eigenlijk hoort het er toch gewoon bij. En toen ik dit nummer had geschreven, toen was het wel weer oké. En die heet Dive. You jump in the deep from sky high. looking for? Tell me, 'cause I never learned to fly. My mind is like this war. Sometimes I worry that I will never be like all of these people around me. From now on, I tell myself to be free. I'll float in the air. You crash to the ground from sky high. How do you stand up again? Tell me my body doesn't wanna try. I wonder if it ever can. Sometimes I worry that I will never be like all of these people around me. From now on, I tell myself to be free. I'll float in the air. This level can seem to reach, 'cause no one ever teaches to me how to be so brave, to just dive into the deep. I float in the air. I'll float in the volgende nummer is ook afkomstig van de quarantaine. En die gaat over eenzaamheid. En dat is denk ik iets wel wat we allemaal afgelopen maanden hebben gevoeld. Maar gelukkig zijn we vandaag weer samen. En die heet To Die For. I've waited long enough for someone to hold me, someone to cry for. Guess that it's never enough. It's just I've waited a lot. You see, I've been sitting by the door, waiting for someone to knock. Then at night my tears fall onto the floor. This situation is a deadlock. I've got nothing, nothing to adore. I've got no one, yeah, no one to die for. Life never goes as planned, 'cause I thought I'd find someone to call home. Every birthday is the same, just reminds me I'm celebrating alone. You see, I'm constantly hooked on my phone to see if I'm not missing out. If only my heart was made out of stone, this situation's still a dead hope too soon. Yeah, I hope too soon. I thought I finally met someone. It was too good to be true. Too good to be true. 'Cause I still got nothing to adore. I've got no one, and no one to die for. I've got nothing to adore. I've got no one, yeah, no one to die for. Dankjewel. Het is jammer dat het nog licht is, want het volgende nummer is echt super cliché. Liefdesliedje, anders konden jullie met de aansteken. I never thought that I'd meet someone who makes everyone else seem unimportant. I never thought that you'd be the one who feels like the most important. I don't know what it is, but I can't let go of it. I used to feel alone, but when you're next to me, the fear of being alone is gone. I never thought that I'd write such a cheesy song, but I can't help myself, 'cause I feel like we belong. I wonder if this is ever gonna change. Will I ever feel the same way? I don't know what it is, but I can't let go of it. I used to feel alone, but when you're next to me, the fear of being alone is gone. Dankjewel. Dat was even spannend, want die heb ik vorige week pas geschreven. En nou, dan nu alweer het laatste nummer. Echt super bedankt voor jullie aandacht. Het is altijd een beetje gek als singer-songwriter te afsluiten, maar ik vond het wel eens leuk om te doen. En ja, het was een toffe middag, dus ik hoop dat jullie genoten hebben. En nu het laatste nummer, die gaat over wanneer je zoveel om iemand geeft en diegene kwetst jou, dan kan het nog steeds heel moeilijk zijn om die persoon en die gevoelens los te laten.
En ja, dat hele proces is super frustrerend. En die heet Shadow. Your shadow follows me around through all the dark crowds. When I look in the mirror, I see you in the mirror and not myself. Your shadow follows me around, it pulls me to the ground. I want to forget, but don't know how to forget it. Your shadow follows me around, and I hate it, but at the same time I wanna grab it, wanna feel it, wanna kiss it. Just like that one night when your lips pressed against mine, when you touched my neck and you kissed my head, and I never felt so alive. But then you had to ruin it, then you had to ruin me, then you had to ruin everything. Your shadow follows me around through all the dark crowds. When I look in the mirror, I see you in the mirror and not myself. Your shadow follows me around, it pulls me to the ground. I want to forget, but don't know how to forget it. It's gonna take some time to leave your shadow behind, to get you off my mind. It's gonna take some time to leave your shadow behind, to not replay that one moment we had together in my mind, at least for a while. Dankjewel.
Sorry.